Semi-automatic fruits and vegetable net packaging machine. Open the machine's front door to access the internal compartment. Place the net roll in the designated holder. Secure the roll tightly to ensure smooth and uninterrupted feeding. This is a semi-automatic machine, making the packaging process easy and quick. Pull the net and properly position it over the barrel inlet tube. This machine is ideal for packaging toys, vegetables, fruits, and various other items. After pulling out the desired length of net, cut it accordingly. Use a ring or clip to lock one end of the net securely if required. The machine supports both pedal and button-based control for user convenience. Connect the air pipe to the machine to activate pneumatic features. Set the temperature and timer controls based on your sealing needs. Press the start button to check if the machine is powered and ready. Alternatively, press the pedal to ensure the foot operation is functional. Fill the product, vegetables, toys, etc. through the front feeding inlet. Once filled, twist the open end of the net bag to prepare for sealing. Place the twisted portion into the sealing chamber. Press the pedal or button to start the sealing process. Your net bag is sealed neatly and securely.